Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun side edge card for you. This is my pool party side edge card. It has that fun little boy in his little inner tube. On the inside here is a cover panel that you could also write more of a message, and then on the back is also your messaging panel. It comes with an included envelope and it is super easy to put together. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it.
Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file.
Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewifecom. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've typed in the password, you're brought to all the free files. You're going to look for number 127. That's the Pool Party Side Edge card. Click that hyperlink and download the file to your computer. Go ahead and unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space.
Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space.
Okay, now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we're going to head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and then Upload. Now we're going to highlight that image and click Add to Canvas.
Step 3. Convert score lines in any text.
Alright, now that our project has been uploaded into Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We're going to need to change a couple of the score lines and then change the text. So let's scroll down and find the envelope first. Highlight the score line. Come up to the operation panel and change that to score. Highlight the group and click attach. Now for the card base, we need to do the same thing. Highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. Lastly, we need to change the text. So find the text, come up to operation, change that to pen. You can change it to whatever color you prefer. I'm going to change it to geode, I believe is what I'm going to use. Highlight the group and click attach. Alright, that's all that we need to do within our canvas, so we can head up to make it. I'm going to use a regular mat, a 12 by 12 mat. Click continue, and you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click continue. For this project, I'm using medium cardstock. I'm going to go ahead and get everything loaded and cut out, and I will see you when it's all done.
Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card.
Okay, now that everything's been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and fold along the score line on the card base. Go ahead and burnish that fold as well. Let's just set that to the side for a second. We're going to mat and layer the inside cover panel, and then the messaging layer for the back, and then go ahead and add the front cover panel to the front of the card base. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, now that those have been mat and layered, we can go ahead and add the inside cover panel to the inside of the card base, and then the messaging panel goes on the back of the card base. All right, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side while I work on the layering of our little pool guy. Okay, so here's how we layer our little pool guy. I am going to include a PDF that shows you the steps to layer, so if you don't want to pause the video, not a big deal. I will include that with the download on the blog. Okay, so we're just going to start from left to right, and I'm going to go ahead and layer that up right now. Okay, so here's our little pool guy. And now we can just adhere him to the front of the card, just like that. There we go. Time for a pool party. This can be a decorative piece, or you can use this as part of your message, and then the messaging panel in the back. Super cute. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side. I'm going to work on the envelope. So for the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Now we'll take our inlay panel, add adhesive along the outer edge, and then lay that on top of the envelope, covering the little cutout. And now we're going to bring the side flaps in, run our adhesive along the bottom edge here, and with our thumbs bring up the bottom flap and press to adhere. And there is our little fun envelope. And there is our pool party side edge card. How fun is this card? Super simple to put together. I could totally see this for your summer barbecues, your summer pool parties, obviously. Send it as an invite to a summer birthday party. I hope that you make it. And if you do make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.